The first thing you need to do when you receive your Flower Wisdom cards is make them special, sacred, and get to know them for yourself. So you open the box, take out your little guidebook and have a look at your cards underneath. Just gently go through each of the cards, just having a look at them all, seeing which ones resonate with you. There'll be certain ones that jump out straight away. And when you've finished with that, gently knock away or tap away all the energy that came with those cards, because lots of people might have touched them in the process of making them, and now they are all yours. So the most important thing is to make sure that these cards are full of light and love, so that when you're looking at them and working with them, that you feel special and they bring you special messages. So I gently hold them to my heart or gently in my hand and ask for that. Ask that every message is sent with love, reassurance, guidance, and for my highest good, and for everybody around me too. And then once that's done, I take my hands off and I imagine that they're light and full of energy and sparkles. And now these cards are ready to work with. So when I've finished, the most important thing for me is when I put away the cards, I always say thank you to the flowers and for the guidance I've received.